Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a bird. A large and distinctive bird known for its long beak and expansive wings. They are found in a variety of coastal and freshwater environments around the world. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as pelican, 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 pelican. Pelicans are known for their large, scoop-shaped beak, which they use to catch and drain fish. If you enjoyed learning about pelicans, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.